How to use Xbox Game Bar on PC. To use the Xbox's Game Bar on your PC, you simply have to enable the Game Bar in Windows setting first of all. Press the Windows key plus I shortcut to open your System Settings menu. Then click on the Gaming tab in the left-hand sidebar menu panel. Select the Xbox Game Bar from the options on the right side. Now, turn on the settings that reads Open Xbox Game Bar using this button on a controller or enable Xbox Game Bar. Then you simply have to launch any game or look at your standard desktop screen, then press Windows plus G on your keyboard simultaneously. A translucent dashboard row will pop up at the top of your screen, surrounding your desktop with an independent utility windows. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.